Hey friends! Today I wanted to share with you what we are doing for our teachers as teacher gifts this holiday season. I decided this year that I wanted to theme our gift around a children's book, and I don't know, I thought that was just a really cute idea. I was really happy with how it turned out. So I think from now and into the future, I will try to do that, theme all of the teacher holiday gifts around a book. So the book that I chose was The Kissing Hand, and it's about a little raccoon who his mom kisses his hand. So of course I added Hershey Kisses with a little note that said, "Kisses from me for when you need one." And I just took some twine and tied that little tag to the Hershey Kisses. Next, I added a coffee gift card with a note that said, "So you can hold on to something warm or sweet." And again, I just tied that tag on with some twine. This was my favorite part of the gift. It's a glove with the heart on it, and it says, "A reminder in your hand that you are loved," and then just a copy of the last page of the book with the raccoon's hand with the heart in it that says, "I love you." I made these gloves. I bought a 2-pack for $1.50 at Walmart, and then just took some heat transfer vinyl and cut a red heart and very easily pressed those on to one of the gloves. And again, just using that same green twine, just tied those notes onto the gloves. And then it was just really easy. I just added everything into the bag. I did notice that this bag was broken. It's missing one of the handles. So I did put it in the bag for the sake of the video and then took it out and put it in another bag for her teacher. And then I added one of the ornaments that we made with the kissing hand with her picture and a heart for her teachers to have. And I just thought this turned out so cute. I was really excited about these gifts. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you guys subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this gift idea and if I should add the printables for you guys over up on the blog. Bye, guys.